In the Elbesee seat frame, you will have a base, leg, stalk, TC screw, bolt, wing nut, washer, bolt locator, and a hoop. Firstly, thread the bolt through the bolt locator. Next, attach to the hoop to the stalk by placing the nylon pivot into the slot at the top of the stalk. Make sure the holes line up and then thread the bolt through. On the other side, fix in place with a washer and then a wing nut. Next, attach the leg to the base, making sure the base is facing towards you. Just screw in until tight. Finally, slot the stalk into the leg, making sure that the hoop is towards you as well. Then fix in place with the TC screw on the side. You can now adjust the height of the frame by loosening the TC screw and sliding the stalk up or down.